2 times 2a square minus 3a square b minus 4b square minus a square plus 5 square b square minus 10b square. So we have to find out which of the following is equivalent to the expression above. So first we have to do these two and this bracket work. So first 2 times 2 is the 4, then a square minus 6a square b should be square, b square minus 2 times 4 is 8b square, and then here is a minus sign, so we can write minus a square minus 5a square b square, and then minus and minus plus 10b square, right? So we have to find out which is the similarity. Like, look, here is 4a square and here is minus a square. So what will be the answer? Here is 3a square. Next, minus 6a square b square, and here is minus what? 5a square b square. So minus, it will be minus 11a square b square. And finally here is minus 8b square and here is plus 10b square. So it will be plus 2b square. And this is our answer. Now we have to find out which is the similar. Very careful. Look, here is number C is a common thing of this answer, which is 3a square minus 11a square b square plus 2b square. So this is our correct answer. So we can say answer C. Okay, so first question answer done. Second one, here is mentioned 2 times x minus 4 times 2x plus 3. So what will be the answer? Direct we can write like 2, so first 2x minus 2 times 4 is 8, right? And under bracket 2x plus 3, right? Then this is 2x and here is 2x, so we can, once we multiply, it will be 4x square, and then 2x plus 3, 2x and times plus 3, it will be 6x. Okay, so first part done. Minus 8 times 2, it will be 16x, minus and plus minus 8 times 3 is a 24. Now here is 4x square and here plus 6x minus 16x, it means here is minus 10x and finally minus 24. So we can say correct answer is number A. Look, here is 4x square minus 10x minus 24. This is the correct answer. Next question. Number 3. Which of the following is equivalent to, we can write 4x to the power 4 minus 9y square. This one we can write, here is 4, so 2 and x to the power 4, it means here x square and whole square. Okay, 2 square means 4x square, square means x to the power 4, minus 9 we can write 3 and y square we can write y and then square. So it's looking a square minus b square. So as per consideration of a square minus b square, we can write a plus b times a minus b. So our answer will be 2x square plus 3y and 2x square minus 3y. Okay, so which one is our right answer? Our right answer is number D, 2x square plus 3y and 2x square minus 3y. It's a number D. So answer number D. So thank you very much for being with me. My channel name is MathJip. Please subscribe this channel. I hope by this channel you will learn lots of things. Thank you.